Hey, it's Laura. Welcome back to my channel. This is part 5 of my Dollar General 2020 finds for Christmas and their gift sets. But look guys, this is what I'm going to upload tomorrow. I will be editing this video right after this one. I spent $70 right now. I found so many cute things, so hopefully you can tune in tomorrow because I think I finally found everything I wanted to find, except for like one or two things, so we'll have to see. But let's start off with these Christmas cards. They are priced at $1, so as you can see they have a few different ones. You do get 8 in the pack. And for this video, I did visit two Dollar Generals as I usually do to get you the most content that I can. These are some soap pump dispensers. These are priced at $3. They have these flavored lip balms for $1, but honestly I think I found a better deal. Later on you'll see. These spiral trees are priced at $1, and they do have some Christmas boxes for $1. This one says Home for the Holidays, A Tale of Santa's Journey, The Jolliest Snowman, and this one says A Magical Christmas Delivery, Let's Have a Snow Day, Santa's Night Flight, My Journey to the North Pole. It has a cute elf, and Mrs. Claus's Sweet Holiday Memories. These boxes open up halfway in the middle. Really quickly, they did have more gift bags. You get 2 for $1. And I found these gift boxes. You get 6 for $1. It says Tree Farm. The back says Believe. So it does come with, I think, 2 designs in each pack. If you are a new viewer and you're wondering why I don't mention something, it's because I did do a part 1 through 4. Links are down in the description box. These towels are priced at $2. In the first store, I found these gift boxes. That one has the axe for $10. They have 2 versions. These here are priced at $5. They do have some Polo Club cologne, $6 for this pack. And this one is priced at $10 for all 4 different scents. This is the second store, so I did find some jumbo bags for $7. But now thinking about it, today, remember I said I will be uploading that video that I just came back from. I found a better deal if you are looking for a big Santa bag. This one says Christmas Express Special Delivery. So I will be showing the picture of each of these. There are 4 different ones. Believe in the Magic of Christmas. The last one says There is no place like home for Christmas. And it does have that red truck right there. Here is some $1 gift wrap paper we haven't seen. This is a DIY Nativity Scene for $3. It is wood. These are some new stockings. They are priced at $1 and they are elf's shoes. They do have more bows for $1. You do get 6 in the pack. Here is some new ribbon we haven't seen. Nice until proven naughty. This is priced at $2. It is 2.5 inch by 9 feet. Here are the heavy ceramic red truck cookie canisters for $8. Here are some shelf sitters for $1.50. The snowman is holding a snowflake, and the Santa Claus is holding a wreath. They have this LED bow for $8. These are some mini lighted Santa and snowmen for $2. The red top hats are priced at $3. It does have 2 candy canes. And I showed all of this already. They do have some spiral trees for $3. They are a little bigger than the ones we saw. This store had lots of gift sets. Look at these, how pretty, $10. Aromatherapeutic body care with essential oils. It comes with the body wash, bath salts, lotion, mist, scrub, shower sponge, and body butter. This is priced at $5. Some makeup. $3 for the bath soap, hemp seed oil, retinol, or with collagen. They have this lip gloss and nail polish set for $3. It does come in the cat version, and they do have this version in the back with the unicorn. I love the packaging on this one. $5 Pampering Petty Kit. It does come with the fuzzy socks. This is in the scent Peppermint Mocha. I love that mug with the marshmallows. This next one was pretty heavy, $5. It contains the lotion, the wash, and the bath salts. The facial mist, $3. It's hemp seed oil with rose water, and the other one has cucumber. These are some LA Colors face masks in avocado or coconut for $1. Any other gift set I don't mention is in a previous Dollar General Christmas video. For example, these I did go over already. Links are in the description box. They have this set for $5. This is a bath bomb set in cocoa rose, lavender, and wild berry. I did slow down this scene just a little bit to give me enough time to tell you what everything contains. So if you kind of see it a little weird, it's because of that. Here they have a unicorn gift set. It contains the bath bomb on top and the foaming body scrub on the bottom, and I did find another version I'll show you soon. They have some big shaving sets for $10 in the sensitive version or the Click 5. They do have some for men. They have an Old Spice set for $10. $5 for this Dr. Teal Soften and Moisturize with shea butter and almond oil. And by the looks of it, they have been taking this one. This one is Soothe and Sleep in the lavender scent. They have some antibacterial hand spray for $3. So you guys remember the $1 lip balms? I told you there was a better deal. This is it. This is a set of 8 for $5. So this is much better. They have a candy one, the Sour Patch Kids, the Pepsi soda version, and they do have this one with all the breakfast cereals, and I did get those for my nephews and niece because they love these. This will be a stocking stuffer, so I will break apart the pack and decide who gets what. Here is the other version of that peppermint mocha petty kit. They have this one in the scent Vanilla Chai. The Pure Silk Rotating Brush is priced at $10. I totally forgot to check the price on this 20-piece set of the Frozen accessories. I apologize. $3 for the Spa Socks set. This Tuscan Hill company has some nice packaging. It is priced at $10. The box is really sturdy and beautiful. It contains the hair turban, the shower puff, the body butter, the body wash, and the body scrub. They also have this $10 luxury shower kit with the hair turban, the shower puff, the spa wrap, and the shower gel. We saw this already. This is a 4-piece hand cream set for $5. This 6-piece nail polish set is priced at $3 in Llama Stay. And they do have a unicorn version in the back. They have some accessory jewelry sets for $3. They have Frozen. They have the LOL dolls, Paw Patrol, Minnie, and I think that's it. They have these PJ sets for $10. So they do have it in the lady version or the little girls. And before continuing, they do have these 4 feet inflatables for $15. These are some cocktail glass bath bomb sets. I tried to look for a price, but couldn't find any. Next, for $5, they have a body care set with the lotion, the mist, and the shower gel in the scent Fancy Rose. Also for $5 in Sweet Pea, they have the body wash, the bubble bath, and the body cream, also the bath fizzer. For $5, they have the Tuscan Soothing Bath Fizzers in Cherry Blossom. This we already saw. These are some body butter sets for $3 in French Lavender, Vanilla Almond, and Cherry Blossom. Again, that cute, sophisticated packaging. We saw this already. They do have these nail polish sets for $5. It says Midnight Glam. It's more kind of like the glittery ones. Here is the other version of that set I showed you before, but in the mermaid one. And they also have this set in kind of like those metallic sheen, also for $5. This, I don't know what to think about it. For $5, what do you guys think? It's basically a scrunchy mason jar. That's all it has inside. I don't know. These are priced at $5. And I almost missed that ice roller for $10 on the left. And that is it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. Stay tuned for tomorrow's video. I hope you guys enjoy it because I loved it so much. See you guys. Bye.